Hello my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. Bitcoin have been surging for quite a number of days or months, but most of the people have lost their accounts simply because when Bitcoin started to go down, some of the people lost hope and they lost their account. But right now when it started to surge, they realized that they had a lot of money. Some of you have lost your phone or your gadget that you use it to get on authenticator. And if at all you opened an account using Bybit and you have lost your phone, or you no longer have access on your authenticator account, so stick with me. I'm going to show you how you can recover that account while using another phone. So stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. This is how Bybit looks like when you open it. So when you go here, they will show you sign up and log in. So when you click on log in, so when you reach here, they will show you that you put your email and the password below. If at all you use the mobile, you can also use the mobile, or you can scan the QR code. So once you are done, so once you reach here, they will ask you the security verification. This one means you have to put your Google 2FA code, that is 2 authenticator. So if you don't have it, it means you are going to click here on problems with verification. So once you click there, they'll bring you here. So it means that once you do this one, you won't be able to withdraw any asset within 24 hours after the reset. So you select the security option not working. If it is Google Authenticator isn't working, then you are going to click here. If at all it is email authenticator, because some of the emails you have lost your email, maybe it depends. So if at all you have lost your email, it means you are going to come here and click here. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on Google Authenticator. Maybe in future I'm going to make this one for email authenticator. So you click confirm. So once you reach here, they will send you the verification code to your email address. So you come here, you click on your email address. So you're going to copy it. It is here right now. It is just here. So once you put it there, it means the reset successful. So sometimes they can ask you the face that you used, maybe, but sometimes they may not ask you. It depends. So for this one, they have not asked me. So once you are done, they'll bring back to you on Bybit, on welcome Bybit. They take you to where you can put your email and the password. And once you put it, so let me put mine. So you can see that right now I'm in my account. They can show you exactly, so I can trade back. I can do everything that I want on my account. So you can see everything in this email. So I just need to verify it back so that I can get the authenticator back. So hope you have got everything in this very video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. So bye for today. Good luck.